Although we live in modern times, we farmers still work hard. We rise early. Day in, day out. And we're proud of that. At Sega, our mission is to engineer top-of-the-line products that make future farming easier. Machines like our DrainJet One Touch to give you maximum control over your water management at one push of a button. The machine arm folds into position and the hose stops automatically when detecting a blockage. Also, our DrainJet can easily be controlled from in and outside the cabin, cleaning drain after drain with ease, thanks to a completely new designed interface. Location data is automatically sent to the console for easy tracking and repair of defects in the drain. All data of every hose ever cleaned is sent over to our cloud application to be carefully looked at later. After the drains are cleaned, the cloud application can be accessed from any device with an internet connection. Your drains are cleaned at the touch of a button. Sega. Future farming made easy.